Dad, they're coming after us!
Hold on tight, Owen. The wolves are faster.
They're catching up!
We need to turn towards the gorge. They won't reach us there.
Hi, my name is Alisa. I'm 10 years old. I love dry ride a bike and roller skate, and I also love chocolate chip ice cream.
This is my dad, Logan. He works as an engineer. He creates designs and improves various technical devices and systems. This is my mom, Nora. She works as a veterinary doctor. She helps animals when they are sick or injured. This is my brother, Owen. He's 8 years old. He reads books about planets and astronauts. He loves looking at the stars and dreams of great discoveries and adventures.
Attention, team. Tomorrow is an adventure day. We're going to the forest.
Really? The forest!
Yay! I can't wait!
That sounds wonderful, dear.
The little wolf wants to tell us something
Let's stop!
and try to figure out what's going on.
Mom, I'm scared. Alisa, you can see the little wolf is asking for help and we must help him.
We need to come up with something, but we must act carefully. Don't get too close, so we don't scare them even more. Let's find a way to open the trap without causing harm. The main thing is not to hurt them.
Mom, you're so brave. Aren't you afraid of big animals? I'm afraid, but care is more important than fear. We must help those who are in trouble.
I'm scared! Why is it so dark and scary?
Everything's under control. Hold on tight. Right now, the main thing is not to slow down and not to leave the road.
Dad, did you see it? Lightning! It hit that tree right there!
Yes, Owen, I saw it. And it seems this isn't the only problem tonight. The tire is flat. We need to find some kind of hut to wait out the storm.
Look, there are tracks on the ground. It looks like someone passed here recently.
Well, who would have thought such a house was hidden in this forest?
And it's not abandoned at all. Look, there are fresh footprints on the porch, and the door is slightly ajar.
Wow, Dad, let's go inside right away!
Let's quickly go inside before lightning strikes again. Is anyone home? We're lost in the forest. We're asking for shelter for the night.
Everything's fine. Come in.
Well, we're finally warm, and the storm outside just won't stop. Can you hear the thunder?
How nice that we found this house. I wonder where the owner of this house is.
The door slammed shut! What does that mean? I hear someone's footsteps in the next room. Who could it be?
You're trapped. The door is locked, and you can't get out of here. At least let the children go.
Mom, I'm scared.
We have nothing. We just got lost. Let the children go.
Shut up, Dad! We're the ones who decide who to let go! Let's go check. The dog is barking. Who could it be? Someone strange has entered our property? We need to run while they're not here.
The door is locked. The windows are barred. Is there another way out? I saw a hatch in the floor. It was slightly open.
It's dark down there, but I can see the stairs. They look old, but sturdy.
I'll go first.
Great idea, Owen. Nora, you follow him, and I'll cover Alisa. And hold close together. I don't want anyone to get lost in this maze.
It's okay, kids. Dad has the flashlight. We'll find the way out.
We're almost there. Just a few more steps. Stick together, team. Be brave. Well, we're finally out. We need to run now. They'll definitely organize a chase after us.
Stay together. Don't fall behind a single step.
Are they already close? Will we have time to hide?
We'll make it. The main thing is not to stop.
Hurry up, kids. They might catch up with us.
Look, ahead our she-wolf with other wolves. They've come to save us.
Yes, it's them! They'll help us escape the chase!
Yes, the wolves are waiting for us. It was you who forgot to close the hatch. That's how they escaped. We need to catch up to them right now before they call the police. They have children, and they couldn't have gone far. If we hurry, we'll definitely catch up with them, and we need to catch them no matter what. The wolves have sat down and are waiting. When we get on them, they'll help us escape from the pursuers.
We're ready!
Full speed ahead, Wilsons.
Dad, they're coming after us!
Hold on tight, Owen. The wolves are faster.
They're catching up!
We need to turn towards the gorge. They won't reach us there. The pursuers won't be able to climb this mountain in a car. The she-wolf saved us.
Dad, I see them! They got out of the car!
We lost them. We can't climb the mountains in the car. And without the car, we can't catch up with them.
Thank you, She-Wolf, for not leaving us in trouble. If it weren't for your help, we would have had a hard time.
The main thing is that we are a close-knit family. We are one team, and no difficulties are scary for us.
And now we need to report everything to the police.
Police officer listening. We've been looking for these criminals for a long time. Where did it happen?
You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
We are located near the home of the Wilson family. These are our heroes, who helped the police neutralize the criminals.
Like the video if you enjoyed it. Hit the bell icon, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.